Okay, I think I'm live. Yeah, I forgot. I've been looking at the screen with very all the concentration. Uh, yes, let's see. Okay, I'm just going to copy the link here. The live is stream live. Copy the link here. Yes. Okay, now it's ultra fast. Let's see. Um, so ultra low. Where am I looking at here? Yes, ultra low latency mode. I should have that as default. I think the problem with ultra low latency why I didn't want to use it is mm, it's because I had this how's it called I had this moment. I was looking at the streams that I did before, and it looked like they were all max 720 resolution, which was kind of shit, and I didn't like that. So I found out that the ultra low streaming mode basically does this to the output in the end. It does not store it as 1080p for some reason. So I was hoping to improve the quality of your experience by doing the normal mode, but yeah, no interactivo. Um, right. So, am I? Yeah, I am streaming. Okay, I am audible. Uh, and you can hear music. Perfect. Okay. Dum. Enter the effects. Oh. Never really played around a lot with the what's here. Quantize. So let's see what Mitos. Can I do something with the old with the very soft hits, which are transpose, move, trim, delete MIDI events, functions, time, quantize. Yeah, this is a lot of time stuff. Sustain. Let MIDI channel voice. No insert. MIDI transform. Reverse transposition, exponential. Ah, velocity limiter. Ah, okay. What does that do? Wait, did I apply it? Or what happened? What is the undo? Oh no, oh my god! I don't know why it opens in the wrong page. So velocity limiter, operation by on byte two. What is that? Operations on selected events. Pitch velocity, yeah, velocity we want. Select events by condition. So we want to have status not equal, but what is all note? Yeah, okay. The condition is that okay, that took a moment. The condition is that it should be a note. I was right. Hey, Mitso, welcome back. I was right in the velocity modifier. Ah, input event velocity. Ah, okay, reassigned to velocity. What is the through? Maybe that's and then what? Take the scale it down. No. Okay, we're having live support. Sorry, you're forgiven, my friend. Maybe I'm lacking a plugin as well. I hope not, though. Velocity processor. Ah, yeah. Process a node on. Ah, value range. Oh, okay. Note, is that note off that I want? Ah, no, note on. Yeah, when the note hits. So I want. Wait. In the previous mode. One. No, this is a compressor. Ah, but maybe. No. No, but I cannot change. Yeah, I can shift it up and down. No, but the input is from 1 to 127. Yeah. So this just. So it should be this one, I think. That makes sense. So I need to just increase this. Maybe somewhere here. So let's try it out. I can stop this. I don't know what it did. Let's test it here. No, that was heard. So what's the velocity on this one? 30. No, wait. I remember I can show the velocity somehow. Show height global tracks. No. Under. No, but it doesn't. I don't think it is because I cannot change. Maybe here. Oh, okay. But then I can set. I can leave this as is. So 2, 1, and this. I don't want. I don't know. Anything. Wait. Ah, okay. Now it worked. That's strange. Okay. I guess it doesn't work if I type it in. 0. I don't want it to. I don't. Yeah. Okay. Threshold doesn't matter. I guess I can put it to everything. So we want the minimum. Is that? Would okay. No. Maybe this. No, but this is the threshold of where it applies. Oh, that's really nice. That shows up here. Cannot put ratio minus. I don't know if it does seem to work if I change the value here. That's a bit strange. Process on note. I think that means that when the note is on, go to minus value. It does not go to minus. No. Add scale. No. Value range. I have a suspicion that it should be this one. If I put like this something. Process note. Yeah, wait. Something strange is happening. I don't understand. Oh, okay. No, I think that what this does is that it shrinks the range. You're trying to teach me something here, Mitro, and I'm really up for it. Let's see. Okay, I guess the real question is here. We can say, MIDI input gate. Made. Oh wow, that's a little bit old. Can I have something from, I don't know, the last, well, not year, but from, I don't know, a couple of years. Do I have to go one year by year? That is strange. To today. I don't know. Maybe I can do like this. General MIDI settings. Logic pros and logic pro. Starter effects. How do? Um. So I wanna have. So I think what they do here is that record capture. They, yeah. That's probably, I don't know. It looks like a class, yeah, tutorial. What is this? Noise gate. Oh no, that's noise gate. I don't want noise. I mean, I guess it is noise. Am I spending too much time on this? Maybe. Let's make this 0 again. Will that change anything at all? Oh yeah. It puts everything there. Velocity. Wait. I think I have an idea. The makeup can be negative. Yeah, okay. I got it. But now... oh, wow. That was very... okay. Alright. So... I'm having... let's see. I want this ratio to be 1. Yeah, perfect. So I can... yeah, so that's the gate. But now the problem is... it takes whatever is low and makes it sound lower, like in velocity. So I don't really like that. Yeah, so the mapping now is if the velocity is around here, it will be mapped to 1, which is also, yeah, I'm not very happy, I guess, with that either. But then everything that is, yeah, like above, but maybe I can fix this actually, yeah. Okay, so maybe that is better. Okay. Okay, I can see something working here. Okay, I think it's kind of working. It's a little bit of a hack. Hey, okay, nice. I saw it. I saw you. Perfect. Let's do this. Okay, that's gonna be cool. Where is my main screen camera? Here. So I can remove this one for now. I don't want it. And let's add this glorious boy. Maybe I can not. Maybe I can skip sharing my screen for a moment here. Let's do this. Perfect. We're almost there. Control audio via OBS. Page permissions, read access. Yeah, okay, what is this? No, I don't want to do anything like more advanced. Shut down. No, it's okay. Let's see. It is here. Whoa. I can. Walala. Wow. Look at this.
Good evening.
I cannot hear you though. Let's see how I'll fix that. You can probably hear yourself through the stream. Oh, that's the communication is going to be amazing. I can feel it. Oh, yeah, okay. I know how to fix this. Okay, I can actually hear you now in live, but you will be hearing me have a little bit delay.
Haha.
I can hear you. Yes, welcome, welcome, Mr. Dim. Wow, so nice to have you here. I hope you're sitting comfortably. Let's see how long it takes to answer. Oh my god, wow, that's so slow.
It is great. There is no absolutely no delay here, and I am not at all loud. And I also hear myself a billion times.
And now it's going to be a billion more, my friend. Wow. Okay. Yeah, that is really hard to do. Thank you very much for showing up, though. You tried. So I don't know if I have a better, but that was cool to try out. So thank you very much. What else could I do? Wait. Wait. I don't need to be stupid. Wait. I think I can fix this. There is another thing. Let's try a few things. Why not? And I can create a room. Okay. I have to make a complicated room name. Okay. It's an insecure room name. What? So I'm not gonna be showing you this part. I hope I'm not. Okay, you're seeing this other thing. But I'm trying to make a insecure room name. Why is it insecure? It's telling me password is recommended. Come on. This can only see what the director's video. There's a few interesting choices here. The director will be performing hearing in scene. Show me some tips. Enter the room. Control center. Let's see. Preferred video codec. I don't know. Invite a guest. Copy to clipboard. Can you try this? Let's see. Am I in that room now? Guest can hear others. Can I add myself in this? The stream is so interesting right now. Staring at you. Let's see. Reload the page. Let's see if I can make it. Yay! Audio output. Yes, that looks correct. Hey! Oh, this is trippy. But I can't hear you. Why? Where is
Where
the
is the
audio
audio
going?
going?
Ah, it's
Ah,
going
it's
out of
going
my
out of my
computer.
computer.
Ah,
Ah,
okay.
okay.
I know
I
what
know
is
what
the
is the
problem.
problem.
Now, yes, I can hear you. No, no, you did something. I could hear you for a moment. Now I can't. Now I can't hear you.
What about now?
Whoa!
Whoa!
Let's see. Wow, I can take. Wait, can I copy solo link? Wow. Okay, this is working. This is beautiful. My
It
internet.
is excellent.
It is so excellent. Let me. Okay, let me do this.
I have muted the stream.
You have to, my friend. Okay.
Wait, I unmute stream so I hear if I am very loud to the
Very
people.
loud. You can't. You don't seem to be. No. Why?
Yes, please lower me a little.
Wait, you can hear yourself? Oh, wow. That's going to be complicated. Let's see. I can fix. Right now, the problem is your sound. Wow. But you're not. Ah, you are in the stream now. Okay, that worked. Okay, good.
Haha.
Perfecto.
Look at this beautiful face.
Look
Haha.
at beautiful face. Oh, wow. I'm restreaming 3 times. Wait, do we have delay between us?
Hey.
Delay? No, there's no delay.
Delay. Hey. No, I don't think much delay.
Okay, but you can hear yourself
No,
out
I don't
many
think.
times. Is that the problem?
No, because I've muted the stream.
Okay, the stream can hear you a few times. Okay, but that's fine. I can. Yes. Oh man, this is working.
No. The stream can hear me one time.
Yeah, they could hear you too before I fixed it.
Excellent. Welcome.
Welcome to my stream.
Yes.
Wow, you're the first host, the guest and host if you want, that I ever had on the stream. Maybe I can stop transmitting my video to you through that thing. Can I stop this? Wow. Yeah, like this. Oof, good. My CPU is
Yes.
overloaded.
Yes.
Okay, thanks.
And now we have a problem that I cannot. Well, I have to listen to your music through the stream.
Yes, that is. No, you don't need to.
Do I not? Can I?
We can try. Wait.
Can you feed the stream audio to the, not the stream audio, but the I can hear nothing for now.
Wait. Yeah. Okay. That is correct. Shouldn't. Wait. I'm using my brain. I don't have much brain power. Wow. Okay. Audio settings. What is this? This is, wow, a built-in microphone. Can I change it? Yes, perfect. Ah, first off, you're hearing me through my computer mic, so that's also a problem.
Yeah. So if you change the video source on Video Ninja,
yeah. So wait.
I should be able to hear the stream audio.
Yes. So. Yes. Okay. So now it should work. Can you hear me?
Yes, but I'm hearing you through the microphone again.
Oh, but I changed it. Ah, yeah, it says built-in, but it changed. Wait, I'll rejoin. Ah, yeah, okay. Okay, now it should work.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, look at that.
Technology.
You can hear the DAO as well, right? No, you couldn't hear the DAO, or?
Yes. I could hear everything.
Perfect.
But I think adding me as a co-host has sort of broken your stream because now your stream looks very
Crap.
yes. But it's fine.
No, it should be okay actually. Wait.
Oh yes, it's better now. It's better now. It has some hiccups every now and again.
How can I stop?
I think if we want to do this properly, you need to go to the mode with latency on the stream, and then we communicate through the room. And then because you have more latency on the stream, it's less load on your CPU.
Yeah.
But it's fine for now. It's fine for now.
Let's see. If I close... Did I close your video?
No, I can still see my video.
I can see. Okay. Wow. Yeah. My computer is also pretty slow now. Oh my God. Chrome crashed. Wait. Can I... are you still in? Yes. Yes. Okay. I think it's improved now. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes. Perfect. Can I hide your video from this? Chrome crashed. Literally.
Nice.
How I cannot hide your video from this. So anyway, I'm not gonna be using Chrome either way, so it's fine. Are you still in the stream though? You are.
Yes.
So you moved away. Oh. There is a message to be decoded. What do you write? What? That's pretty cool. Okay, we're doing this live. Perfect. It's working. Okay, fuck this. So how the hell do I fix this?
Okay, like I've been hold on, I need to make one very important modification. Yes, there we go.
Comic Sans.
So like I was saying, you need to put the ratio to below 1, so all the way down.
But
so that way that will act as an expander.
Okay. So I cannot put it lower than this, but it's...
Yes, that should be fine. Have the makeup at 0 for now, because you don't want any changes to your volume, well, or rather your velocity of the hits. And the range that you were playing with before, you should leave like that, because what you do with the range is you take the output range and you set 0 to be something else. So if you set it to like 60, then your 0 would be 60, your 1 would be, well, whatever, not 61, but you squeeze the range in. So you don't want that. Unless you want to make everything 127, so make everything super loud.
No.
So essentially what you do is you play with you leave makeup for 0 at now, you put the ratio to like the least amount you can, and then you play with the threshold to see which notes are going to be allowed up and which notes are going to be on the bottom of the curve, if that makes sense.
Yeah, okay, that makes sense. So let's say I play...
No, put the makeup
2-0. Because it makes it sharper, actually. That maybe makes more sense. But okay, so I'll let right.
Play with the threshold. play with the threshold while the music is playing.
It's hard to know if where they are in the spectrum. Actually.
I know it's not the easiest thing to decode.
Teach me master. So I think it should be somewhere around here. Yeah. Something like that.
Yeah, this sounds more like what you were playing before.
Yeah.
And if once you set the threshold to where it seems sort of appropriate, you can mess with the ratio a little. So right now it's doing as much what's the proper term? As much reduction as it possibly can. So if you set the ratio closer to 1, well, the closer you get to 1, the less reduction it's gonna have. So if you set it to 1, essentially it does nothing. You see the line is completely like straight.
Well,
if you set it to more than 1, it compresses. So the stuff that's on the lower left corner when the hits appear, well, no, the stuff on the right side corner get lower.
Yeah.
And then you use the makeup to bring everything up. And then with the expander, so below 1, the closer you are to 1, the closer you are to nothing. And then the closer to you are to 0 point whatever the lowest setting is, the more you reduce the notes that it gates, sort of.
Okay, so yeah, so now I want to have, so my idea was maybe I can have it, let's see, because before I kind of did something similar, but like I had it very sharp like this. I would put it back here, but then I lose all the velocity information. Yeah. No, I had. Wait.
Oh yeah, maybe. Oh, I. It's also funny because I'm seeing your video with delay to what you're doing.
But I wonder if I should, but I think I can feed my screen to you actually.
If you feed your stream to the chat room, it shouldn't add more CPU strain because it's encoding the same thing.
Yeah, so I should be able to actually. Oh, wait. There is this virtual camera that OBS has. Oh, okay. So this camera, I should be able to add. Welcome to Logic Masterclass. Yes, I did not introduce you properly. Mitros here, Jim Dimitris is an old friend of mine. Very, very dear friend. Let's see. Very emotional, much emotion. By the way, can you see my?
Yes, I see a lovely pixelated mess. It's amazing.
Okay, I'm gonna look into it.
No, it's fine. It's fine for now.
Okay, much professional. Yes, so we were playing together. We're still playing together in Paradigm Shift, the best band in the universe. And you are a master audio engineer, right? Very professional. You work full time.
There you go. I fixed my title now, so everybody can know.
Very professional. Much professional. Yes. So, yes. So what do you call yourself? A professional audio engineer.
Yes. Like it said. No, it's here. Like it says here. Look, it's very. Oh my god, it's so weird. Here.
The best audio engineer of my life showed up right on the toughest moment. How do you to gate? So okay, so I have we're getting through with this. We are at some point at least. We made a little bit of progress here. The question before that is, I recorded multiple.
What do you do with the folded tracks?
Oh my god, yes.
Yes. Okay. So do you still have any folder tracks that have all the
Yeah.
takes in them?
Yeah, I have the audio version of everything I recorded.
You can try it on the audio version, and it should do the exact same with MIDI. So if you, I think it's on one of the buttons next to the context arrow that you clicked, that it brings up all the take options. And
Yeah.
you skipped right past it because it was in folder. The option you need was in folder.
Oh, pack folder.
Yes, so you can unpack all this stuff into new tracks. So if you go to the master take, yeah. So unpack take folder to new tracks because you don't have any existing tracks, and that
Wow.
should do
Rainbows.
that should create
Wow.
that should create a massive amount of new tracks.
Okay, and then I can just like put them next to each other as I would like them to be.
Yeah, or if you just take one of them, now you can expand it to each side.
Oh, true. But can I? Okay, so if I undo here and I take one of these. Wow, this is very slow. I don't know. I even clicked something accidentally now. What I do? Oh, I unpacked it again. I don't know how this worked, but wait. Okay, try this again. Wow. Okay, this one. Wait, was that the first option all along? Unpack, take, folder, sell to new tracks?
Yeah. So you can do that with MIDI as well. But what you can also do is you can flatten, I think. If there's an option again on the take folder, right next to the what's it called? Right next to the context arrow. So when you go there, there's an option to flatten somewhere. So it should be on the take folder again, on the folder. And again, I still have some delay with your video, but
even the ones that I'm sending you.
Yes, it's slightly better, but not like not great.
So slow?
It's fine. It's fine. So yeah, if there's options to flatten and merge. So I don't think you want to merge, but if you flatten, it should just keep. So where is it? Oh no, it's not there. It's so you see where it says it should say A, I think. So that's the current take that you've created with all the pieces of the all the takes below. If you click on A, there's options. Yeah, it's stupid because if I don't have it in front of me for me to click it, it's very complicated for me to say, oh yeah, you should go to A.
Oh my god, this is so complicated. Okay, once you know where it is, that's easy.
Yeah.
But I didn't even know this is a button. So
Yeah.
what is the other button next to it? Oh, it's...
Yeah, so the third button from the left, it switches from what it calls, I think Logic calls it take selection tool or something. So there's the playhead tool where you select parts of your takes to make a master take, and then there's the scissors, which is the edit tool.
I'm trying.
So that's where you edit the things.
The takes. Okay, so if I take let's say take 19 here. So what will happen? What does it mean to edit the take? What's the difference?
You can cut it. You can.
Okay, I get it. So I can mix them together. So I can select this piece from here. Oh wow! Okay, this is the real Logic masterclass going on here. Wow, this is knowledge.
Yes.
Wow, thank you very much. I had absolutely no idea. So then I can. So I don't actually need that now. Wow, life is so much simpler now. And yeah, flatten, merge. If I do flatten and merge, does it just no, does it make? Oh wow, okay, yeah.
Also, I'm
That's
pretty sure that we've completely broken your stream. It's at something like 1 FPS or something.
but it says here that it's actually green. That is like doing well.
Yeah, it's doing excellent. It's doing amazing.
Oh, I have to check it.
That one frame per couple of seconds is being sent at the absolute best possible quality.
Ah, wait. Okay, one issue may be that it could also be that I am on the Wi-Fi. Let's take that away. Wow, my internet is insanely slow. Yeah, I can tell. Like, it's not even loading YouTube now. If I do...
It might have to do with you streaming to two different
yeah.
places and downloading streams from I don't know how many places.
Yeah. I'm downloading your stream twice because I also need to... But I wonder if I can close it in here. I don't need to like your video in the how's it called, in this video ninja thing. Yeah, wow, I can't even turn on the stream on YouTube just to check how it looks like. Maybe I shouldn't. That is very funny. No, that is very strange.
Wait, yeah, let me do something because I'm assuming that you're using your phone as a drum cam.
Yeah, I am, which made me realize
Yes, but
now.
I have my phone here, which means I can go on data and check how it sounds and how it looks, and yep, it's very, very. Oh, it's not that bad actually.
Yeah, I see that the stream should be 30 FPS actually, but there is, I can see,
Oh, shut up.
19. There is some dropped frames due to encoding lag. There was like 20%. Maybe there was a point where like, oh no, now your video is not in the stream anymore. Why?
I have no idea. We are very good at what we do.
Yes.
We are very good at streaming.
Oh no, but it should work. Maybe it's because I turned off my... No, but you're back. Okay. Are you... Yeah.
I'm here.
But you can't see my screen now anymore. Well, you have to see it through.
No, I can see. Yeah, I can see through the stream. I think that's. Yeah, I think what I said before was very wrong. That your computer would just do one thing. I think it was streaming 2 times, one to OBS and one to me, and that's why it got wrecked.
Yeah. Oh damn it. Yeah, it shouldn't.
Yeah, it's fine. I can still hear you real time, and
Yeah, because I cannot
see the laggy stream.
Yay! Back in time. Okay, so perfect. So now, so let's get back to. So there's so much I learned today. Thank you very much. This is such a great Sunday. I wonder if my phone has battery because it's not. Let's see. Just making sure. Not that it's very necessary. But I can't check if my phone has battery. That's strange. It's 86. Okay, that's okay. We're gonna survive this. Worst case, it shuts down. All right. Right. So now we have this compression here, or no, expander. Right. So my idea was maybe I can make it so that. Yeah, this line ends up being kind of straight, like this. but everything will still go to 1 in velocity. But then later, can I like filter out the velocity that is 1?
You should be able to.
Oh.
There's a stupid way of doing it in Logic, because with all the plugins that they have, they do not include an actual MIDI gate. However, while searching for it at some point, and I found it again, there is this French guy who's actually written a script that creates a MIDI gate trigger effect, and everything is in French, but you know, I can paste it to our chat, and you can have a look at it and see if it makes. I've pasted the translated version. If it makes any sense to you, and you can you can feel free to try it.
Thanks for the Google Translate link. Very, very fresh. Wow. Let's see. Where's the? Let's see. Perfect. Let's look at this beauty. Wow. I can't believe this is working though. This is pretty fun. So
yeah.
I wonder. We can have like a stream party. Yeah. Right?
Yeah,
like,
you might need a slightly faster computer, because if it poops itself with just me, if we add more people, then probably.
Yeah, skipped frames due to encoding lag. It's approximately. No, actually, it's it was only at some point it was dropping frames.
By the way, just so you have an idea of how much the delay is, I'm only just looking at you opening the translated link.
Okay, yeah, that is a delay. Yeah, Okay. Γαλλικά εντοπίστηκε. MIDI trigger. Oh no. How do you even find these things?
So I think you found it because it's in Logic, in the MIDI plugin things, in the MIDI inserts. There is a scripter, which allows you to do all the stuff that he's doing. So you can, if you have any knowledge of Java, you could do stuff.
Oh yeah, that's a cute script editor. It's like, what is this, Arduino?
Yeah, it's pretty much.
You can JavaScript. Oh, okay.
Yeah, so it looks like he's made a sort of JS package or something. I don't know. I have no idea. So he says it needs to be placed in a specific location in order to be available in the menu of the scripter plugin and stuff. But maybe you can just open the code and paste it into scripter and see if it works.
Yeah, I can try. Let's try this. Nope. Is this real time now? Will it? Creating new MIDI engine with script. Evaluating MIDI processing. Script evaluated successfully. Okay, but does it play? I put it in the wrong instrument. I have to play the drums. No. But I can probably do. Wait, I can probably change this to allow every MIDI input. Yeah, there you go. Okay. So, all right, but I'm not. Am I printing this or are they?
I hope I hope your questions are rhetorical in nature, because I have no idea. I can help you with what it does in Logic, but I have no idea about anything Java related.
But it's. Okay, so he should. Why does he give like a zip file? Can't he just like paste? Is it so much code? Like it shouldn't be.
I think you can actually put the. So he says the file to install is a plugin preset file with a PST extension. So apparently he says it's something 500 JavaScript programming lines. So the file is intended for the scripter MIDI plugin, only available in Logic Pro X. It must be placed in a specific location to be available in the menu of the scripter plugin. So you need to go to music, audio, music apps, plugin settings, scripter, and then paste it there so it sees it as a preset. But I think if you just download the zip and open the PSD file, it should contain the actual script.
Wow, yeah, why is it so hard? But because I think, like, what I was thinking of doing is, let's say before I do this, I can, disable this, we don't carry the ways. So I was thinking, okay, we map everything to 1 that we don't want, and then...
Oh yeah, this is only for your velocity, your double triggering issues. It doesn't have to do anything with mapping.
No, yeah. Also, I realize now that this is only for the it needs to have an input from the drums. It's not applying to these anymore.
No, it is, because essentially imagine this as a chain. So if you put the insert there, it takes the input, passes it through the insert, and then puts it to the VSD plugin, to the instrument. So it works either with real-time playing, so your input from the actual electronic drums, or from the stuff that you've actually recorded. It's just behind the instrument.
Okay, I see. So now, PDF, PST, Logic.
Yeah, I have
settings. Okay, but I'll first open this with VS Code. I don't trust it. Where is my? I want to see what the content is.
the content is code. I think it's pretty like it's.
Let's see.
It has some comments in the beginning, and then it's just it's code. Like he defines variables, and I don't know. I think it's pretty decently coded from what I understand. Like he has comments everywhere, although in French.
Wait, did you manage to open? You're looking at the PDF file.
No. I'm looking at the PSD file. Just rename it to like TXT and open it.
Oh, really? That sounds simple. Okay. Can I do this? No, use TXT. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's strange. I wonder why code didn't open the file.
Yeah, because like PSD is a logic preset file. It's not a coding file. So what he's done essentially is taken his code and put it into a sort of like preset file, so you can just load it every time from Scripter instead of like pasting it to Scripter every time.
Wow, and there's a lot of white space. So why? Okay, I'm gonna try to open this again with code, but maybe it's not so necessary. Okay, now I want to open it either ways, yes, and I want to. No, but I could see. It's just that the encoding is strange. So is this reopen with encoding? Is this Windows encoding?
It shows up fine in the text editor on Windows, so it could be Windows encoding.
Definitely, it's some string. It's wait, is there like a French encoding? Cyrillic, no. Western European, Greek, Hebrew, Central European. No. Okay, no, it doesn't matter. But I can read it in the thing here. But I guess it's not much that they can. Like this only works in the event loop of Logic, I can imagine. But it's really cool. I will have a look at.
Yeah, but I think that if you just take the thing that you've opened,
the
like
PSD file. Yeah,
Yeah,
if
just
I
as a text file, you can just copy the code and paste it into the scripter, and hopefully it works.
let's see. So I first wanna paste it in here. Okay, but in here it has this. What is this character? Can I select all of them? Are all the same?
I think if you go to the top of the file, if you just exclude his comments or start from like the first sort of, I don't know, because there's some things that can't really be like, at least I can't read them with my
yeah.
current encoding.
Okay, I got it. I fixed
Which-
it.
Yeah.
Wow, but yeah. Okay, the encoding is French. For sure.
Yeah.
Wow. I don't know how this works, but I can clean it
Variable
up.
utilisé.
Ah, mais oui. Ah, je comprends. Maintenant, mon amour. Okay, I'm cleaning it up a little bit. I did not need to do this, but I may actually. That was a very interesting. I did not know you could do this script thing in like in Logic. That is a very interesting way in for me to play around with this actually later.
Yeah, that's why I thought of it and sent it to you, because I know where it is, and you know, well, better than me how to code for it.
Oh, thank you very much. I will. Okay, so now we can. Let's see. I think all these strange characters are going to be problematic, so I can clean that another time. Maybe we can just.
What the strange characters in the beginning?
Yeah, there is more strange characters, but yeah, maybe it's some thing that I can just remove them. Oh, did I try to save this file now? Yeah, my computer is really crapping, but I'm really crapping out here. But let's go back to Logic and try this out. Scripter. Hello, darkness, my old friend. Paste this baby in here. Run the script. So it doesn't have any parameters, so that's a missed opportunity. He could. Oh, it has. Ah, there's a syntax error. Okay, line 506. Oh my god, we have to fix the code as well. Wow, yeah, okay, it's these strange characters, but I can delete them.
I think the strange characters in the beginning and the end should be about the PST file, so about the preset file. So everything between those is the actual code.
So yeah, exactly. I think you're exactly right on this one. So if I go to line 509 here, oh no. Take me, please, to line 509. Okay, thank you. Ah, it's 506. Okay, but I can clean this up as well. I'm gonna keep this file for later. Maybe it doesn't make sense why he wouldn't post it somewhere like GitHub or something.
Maybe he has and we haven't found it, because I just found his blog.
Okay, so thank you very much for this. So now, how does this work? Wow. Oh, he has that is smart. This Frenchman is smart. So he faked a parameter so that you can read the instructions in here. I mean, it does not do anything if you change the selection, but each line is a parameter, but it's just for us to read it. That's a
yeah, and we can't read it because it's in French.
No, it's in English.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. This script aims
nice.
to simulate the effect heard with an audio track gate triggered by another source. Blah, blah. Ah, and he has sections. Wow. The action is one of the 128 MIDI controlled change. So, oh, maybe we can write our own gate, because this is like, I think this is a little bit, it does a lot more things than we need. We just need a gate. We just need to say, maybe we can write this now ourselves actually. If the velocity is below a certain amount, so where does he velocity? Where does he?
Oh yeah, I'm looking at your screen now with delay, and I can see that he has like so many options.
Yeah, Yeah, so I think
That is actually really cool. I think I'm gonna when I get back to the studio, I think I'm gonna actually install this on my Mac as well, so I can actually play around with it because it does look very like interesting.
Yeah, right. So so what I think is we can write like we should be able to write a short script out of this instead of this that just filters out does not how's it called does not attack on a certain velocity and below, or yeah, does not let things through. So I just need to find where he handles something similar just for inspiration, because I don't want to go through the documentation of how to write these scripts.
Why? I mean, it's a Sunday. Do you have
Yeah,
anything there?
let's do it. Let's do it. Okay, let's write our own script. Logic Pro X scripter. Use the MIDI scripter. Yes, please give me all the documentation. So, of which version? I have the latest. I don't remember which one it is. Wait, what's it? Oh, maybe I don't have the X. How do I know?
No, you do. You do have Logic Pro X. Otherwise, you would have Logic 9, and you definitely have 10 point something.
Yeah, it says 10.7.2, but it does not say X.
Yeah, yeah. Yes, yes. X means 10.
Yeah.
Get on board with Apple's weird naming.
Yeah, okay, I see what happened here. In their like in a user guide, they used to call Logic Pro X actually, the Logic Pro X, but then after version 10.5 and 10.6
Yep,
and all.
it's like Mac OS X turning to Mac OS.
Yeah, okay, I see what happened. Just a rebrand. Okay, so can I? Oh, wow. That is not very helpful. Use the script editor. Is that?
Is this all the documentation?
Yeah, it's like here's a paragraph. The scripter API. Here, that's what we need. Scripter API. MIDI processing functions in scripter, JavaScript objects overview. That's what we need. And also I need to know what am I supposed to return and how. Create a scripter MIDI plugin. Wow, but this is really cool that they have this at all. Like I'm very impressed. So slider. So what is this? Optional properties. Minimum default values. Okay, number steps. So let's do slider creation here. Actually, I'm gonna turn off my phone. I don't need it right now. Slider creation, slider ranges, dynamically. Retrieve plugin parameters. So we need get parameters. Okay. So how do we create parameters? Slider creation. Yeah. Okay, let's start from scratch. Let's do this. So I wanna do. I wanna make
just a quick comment as well.
Yeah.
You can probably make a mapping script as well that takes the MIDI input from your drum kit and then translates it to Logic's mapping. I mean, there is drum VSTs that allow you to remap on the fly, and I think you can actually do it somehow through Logic as well, but you can actually write a script for it if you want.
Oh wow, yeah. If I like, if I can get the exact notes from the documentation of the drum module, that would be very nice actually. Yeah, because
or you could just change the drum notes from the module itself, because you can change the MIDI output notes from Roland's brain. So that would actually be smarter and less, time consuming than writing a script for it. But if you didn't have the option of changing the brain stuff, then it's there.
Wow, yeah, that is really nice. So let's see. Is missing a min and max value. Okay. So we need a min value. They have a okay debugger actually. So the min value should be 0. And the max value should be 127. Because, can I make these new lines? Always nicer. Yeah. Wow, they have a pretty decent editor in here, actually. I'm pretty surprised. Okay, that is good. Props to Apple for this. So if I run this now, we should get perfect. Yeah. So we can go.
Yes,
Okay.
this is Apple all over itself. Like we make something completely like and utterly cool,
Yeah.
and then hide it and don't like tell anyone about it.
It's wow. I feel like because you're right, and they've made I think the entire logic. I feel like I've been using it for some time now, and it feels like it looks simple, but then once you start digging in, it's so complicated. Like this, like the freaking button now, with the press here,
Yeah.
and then suddenly it's like all these options. It doesn't even look like a button.
Yeah.
Wow, but this is super cool. So what I need to number of steps. So now, right? No, I don't like that it goes like this. So I want it does not have an entry for type. Defaulting to linear. Okay, I want type to be. I don't even know what type it can have. Let's see. I think I saw it here. Type linear log momentary. Okay. I see this. I understand what this is now. So I want it to go from 0 to 127. So it's basically this is going to be a simple gate. It filters anything below the value here, and I will make another one. So it's going to be named. This parameter is going to be named low cut or
Don't use low cut, because
no.
low cut means something else as well.
But it's so it's a threshold of it's an
Threshold, yeah. So if you want to define the name of where the cutoff begins, then call it a threshold.
yeah in okay, then that should so that's that. But I also want to have a low and like a bottom and top threshold. But maybe I shouldn't complicate it for now.
Yeah.
So logarithmic, no. Momentary. Creates a momentary button. That, I don't know. Default min max number of steps. I want it to be unit. Type is string to preset. To present a unit description. Okay, this is just a description. If no value is typed, the default behavior is to display no unit. Okay, but the unit is MIDI velocity. Yes. Does it display this somewhere? No, I don't see it. Don't have defaulting to linear. Okay, so the problem I'm having now is that this is a float, and I want it to be an integer. An integer floating point. Yeah, linear. I want it to be linear, but I want it to go. Okay, it's a string. Yeah, that I did. Okay, never mind. Okay, slider ranges default value 3, octave type linear. Number of steps 5. Unit octaves. But why doesn't it work for me? In Mikey, I'm running this. Holding to linear, that's fine. If I scroll here, scrolls badly. Here it says MIDI now. Okay, that's strange. I want it to be integers. Okay. Logic Pro scripter int. Or maybe I can force JavaScript. No, can I force an integer in JavaScript? I don't even remember anymore. Number method. W3 schools. Wow, what a website. Everyone hates it. To exponential. No, to fixed. Precision. No, but I think this is going to be handled from the scripter thing. It should be here. Anyway, menu creation is to. So yeah, I could also do that. have one value for each, but that feels really unnecessary. Okay, but it's fine. It's fine. I am spending too much time on this, and this is not really necessary. So let's see. We need to retrieve that parameter. They have some code here that shows the slider from 0 to 100. Yeah. So if the event is an instance of control change. Okay, what is the control change? What mid event instances are there? Java event object, JavaScript. Yay! So there is when the handle MIDI function is called, an event object represents one MIDI event and implements several methods you can call in your script. Okay. You can use the JavaScript new keyword to generate a new instance of an event. We don't really care about that now. Send the... Oh, yeah, okay. Whoa. So event sends the event to, I suspect, to the further out. I don't need to return something, maybe. Send the event creation modification. Yeah, so let's see. So send after milliseconds, send at beat. Yeah. Wow, check. This is so fun. So you can send after so many milliseconds. So you can add like a delay here on the input, basically. Send at beat. Send like allow it to go in the track at a specific beat, or after beat. Then there's more things. Okay, so we wanna. So basically, what I wanna do is we wanna do event send everything that is. Oh yeah, nice. So we will only do this if our event dot where is the velocity? How do I get the velocity from event? Note of velocity. Note on velocity. Okay. So the event needs to be note on. Right. So we need to check that the event is of type note on. I saw that code somewhere. I can just copy it. Yeah, event instance of note on. And yeah, that's actually almost exactly what we need to do here. So
it's almost like the documentation is
is working.
decent. Yeah.
Yeah. Wow. Perfect. We're almost there. So I will only send. Okay, the tab doesn't work. Okay, but I mean, I cannot ask too much of this editor. I'm happy it even exists. So the event is instance of note on. Is it both capital or just? Or was it here? Okay, and then the event of velocity is greater than whatever our parameter is. So how do I get the parameter value? Let's see. Event value, no. They could format the code in here a little bit better, though. It's really impossible to read. Send the note, yeah. Where do they read the parameter? Get parameter. Okay, there. Oh, that's simple. Oh, wow, okay. I think it should work now. So I should do this. Get parameter, and it should be called threshold. Did we write our first script?
Maybe. You know what? I love that this stream started as let's make some music. Then it became like, oh, how does this work in Logic? And then it became sort of like, oh, let's script a simple gate.
Yeah. It's like, I love this. This is so fun. I'm really happy you joined, Dimitris. It's been a while. I'm really happy to see you.
It's fun that we speak to each other in a live stream format.
Yeah. I'm really happy you joined. I really am. I was very happy when I saw you in the chat. I was like, oh,
Yeah, I found your chat by accident. I was browsing YouTube, and
The universe spoke.
you popped up. Yeah.
Oh. So, so now, okay. So actually, I think it already works. So let's. No, wait. I made a mistake. So no, I didn't. Maybe it needs an extra parenthesis here. Let's see. Maybe that's. I can try this again. So if I run it now, let's see. Will we? Nothing is going through. Okay, that's not good. No. Okay, maybe it's. Okay, maybe I did something wrong. Let's see. Retrieve the parameter value. Yeah, okay. So velocity and node velocity value of 0 is interpreted as a node off event node and node on. Nothing goes through, so we don't even get in the loop there. So that's not good.
Are you sure that you're not your slider is not just no. Forget I said anything.
What do you say? No, I want to know everything. No, but if I copy this out just as a test here, will this run? No, okay, it's not working at all. So I'm not sending anything.
Okay.
So that's my problem. Is it because I need to? What is trace? Event trace? I don't remember. Event send, event trace. Print the event to the plugin console. Okay. Let's do this. I always want to print whatever comes in. Let's try to change the value as well. So let's do it. No, nothing goes through. So now that is a very strange. Do I have to send it as well somewhere? Maybe that's what send after beat. Send the note of 1 beat later. Make a new note. Set its speech. Send the note. After it's off. Yeah, it should work actually. Okay, if I remove everything and just test that this even works at all. I have another scripter on, so maybe that was the problem.
That could possibly be, yeah, because if you have the other guy's scripter running,
maybe he blocks everything. Yeah. Wait. Let's try this again. Yeah. Okay. It's not sending anything now. If I do event and again here. Okay. Now it should be sending everything. No, it doesn't. That is strange. What am I? But the script looks correct.
If you want, okay. Wait,
No, it's going
I'm gonna
through,
send you
actually.
something.
Wait. No, the MIDI is going. No, it's been played. Yeah, yeah, it's actually. Or what were you were gonna say something?
Yeah, I found somebody on GitHub that made a. Hold on, wait, I'm sending it through this very secure chat that we're using. That I have no idea what it is, like Stinto. There's this guy that made a scale gate. So essentially what he does is he defines what notes are in scale and what notes are out of scale. And if a note is not in scale, he doesn't play it. But maybe you can use his... it's like a 60-line code thing. Okay. So maybe you can have a look at it. Maybe it will clear something up on how he gets parameters and how he spits out parameters.
Let's have a look at that. Hmm. Scale gate. It sounds like Watergate. Vent
Yeah.
gate. Oh, yeah, that looks. Look at that. Settings. Yeah. So here's the thing. Right. Ah. Yeah. So if it's an instance of node, so if it's the incoming event is a node, check if it should go through and then send it. If it is not a node, send it. So the node, I think, has, let's see, if in the documentation, I think it had not this one. So the node event or event types, node on, node of. Okay, maybe event creation, event modification, control plugins. Okay, maybe I should just try to figure it out from his code. It feels like I missed something in the documentation. So because he's checking if it's of type node, the event that he's getting in, but I don't see events of type node in the documentation. I only see, where did it go? Node on, node off, poly pressure, control change, program change, channel pressure, pitch bend. Maybe it's an older version. How old is this? Yeah, it is a bit old. Okay, so that's why. Yeah, it's from 2017. Okay, that's fine. It shouldn't have changed so much. So I guess they just have a node on and off, which is new. So what he does is, if it is a node, I guess on or off, he what's his gate? It's a scale gate, which is a function here, okay, which takes a whatever the root. The root is the yeah, okay, the root of the, if it's a chord or something, or the note.
Yeah. So what he does is he takes a scale. So let's say whatever, like he has a variable root select. So like C. So and then he takes every note that's not in C and gates it out.
Okay. So the check note function of yeah. So this is set root check note. This one. Okay. So the check note function is this note index of note pitch. Oh, it returns Boolean. Okay, if it's above, if it found more than one result, it should be true and then send the event. So okay, but I've been okay. His code is old as well, so maybe something has changed that I've missed. But the problem is now I don't get a sound at all from the drum kit, which is a bit strange.
Is his way of returning MIDI to the instrument the same as your way of returning MIDI to the instrument?
I have disabled it completely now, and I'm gonna remove this scripter from old scripter. I think I did something that Logic doesn't like. Maybe I can try to change the drum kit to something else. Yeah, okay. The drum kit was bugged out.
Okay.
Thanks. Oh, the scripter is gone. It's fine. We didn't write so much. Yeah, I can rewrite it. That's a bummer. So what was it?
Yeah, maybe it would be a good idea to just save it.
Yeah.
Somewhere else.
Yeah. Maybe I should. Okay, let's do this the proper way. Let's do, or actually, this. Hello, my friends. Let's code this in JavaScript. So let's do to my repositories. Let's see. Let's make a new one. Let's name it. I'll make a folder first that's called maybe Logic Pro scripts. Okay, let's go in there. Let's create one that is called gate or logic MIDI gate. Yeah, or MIDI gate. I'm sorry. I'm like, I spend most of my time trying to come up with names of things than actually like, so that repository can be called mitigate, but maybe logic mitigate is better. Yeah, logic mitigate, easier. People can. It sounds like I'm saying mitigate.
Mitigate.
Mitigate. So perfect. Let's make this init as well. Perfect. Default branch is going to be main because master is terminology we do not like anymore apparently.
No.
LSA. Perfect. We got this.
Meanwhile, I'm trying to see if we're trying to reinvent the wheel and if somebody else has.
We're gonna reinvent the wheel the best way.
Yeah, and there is actually a forum on Logic Pro Help that has to do with scripts. So I'm gonna be looking at that while you're scripting.
Perfect. Let's do that. So I'm gonna JavaScript, and I'm gonna name this MIDI gate. Yeah, it feels like it should be. It should be pretty simple to have this functionality. Like you shouldn't have to script it. It's like in principle, it sounds very simple. So what was the parameter information that I need? Oh, my computer is slow, unfortunately, which makes me slow mentally as well. Plugin parameters.
Oh, I found the script remap.
Ah, for the drums.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
So somebody's made that. That's good.
We don't need to reinvent the wheel there. That's what you're saying. What? Give me the wheel. I want to give you a new wheel. Threshold. Default value 0. Or min value will be. Let's see. 0, and max value will be 127. Unit is there's no unit, it doesn't matter. Type is linear, and perfect. So if I copy paste this in, it should work. Just yeah. So now if I save this, I'm actually gonna comment out the trace because it prints too much. Our comments in JavaScript like this, yeah. No? Oh yeah, it is like this. So if I run this, we have the parameter here. Does not do anything, but if I play, something has happened. It sounds very strange. Wow, that is odd. It sounds like my notes have been shifted. The kick is here. Okay. Something has. Oh, I'm sending. Okay, because I'm sending everything. Okay, so we need to bring this if statement back. This thing here. So yeah, I actually had it copied in my clipboard. That's nice. So we can only send the nodes that have a higher threshold. Yes. Like that are above the threshold. If I run this. Otherwise, yeah, otherwise don't send anything. So let's see. Yeah! It works!
Is it? Nice! Excellent.
That is like so... Look at this. This is like no line of code. Oh, wow. Wow, yes. Here we go. We made it. High five.
Nice. I can't see you when you high five, so I'm just gonna do this now. And it's gonna be a delayed high five to go along with this delayed conversation.
So, one thing that I noticed now is that we have the threshold, which is fine. But there is a tom that comes in a lot. I don't know why.
This is probably because. So essentially, your electronic drums, they're sort of like piezo pickups that pick up the hits and turn them into electricity, right?
Mm-hmm.
So where the cables are running, I think if you actually hit the cable itself, it translates some vibration back to the piezo. So generally sympathetic vibration. So when you hit the kick or when you hit the snare, some vibration is going to the other pads as well. Mm-hmm. So that's why there are some false mistriggers. If you spend some time at some point with the Roland Brain, there's way too many mitigating features there. So you can actually set thresholds for each individual piece of the kit.
Mm-hmm.
So you can go like, okay, the snare, ignore anything that's well, actually, I think it's before it turns it into MIDI. So you can say that, okay, make the sensor ignore anything that's less than this whatever value they're using inside the Roland Brain. So you can do that just for the snare or just for the kick or just for the crash cymbal or whatever.
So I think because I have the like super cheap version, it probably does not have this.
Don't be so sure. What's your brain called?
TD1.
Okay, let me see.
What's my brain called? I don't know. That's a hard
question. What is my brain called? So, let's see, the owner's manual. Yes, please give me English.
Español.
Es drum brain.
Drum brain, Uru.
Making detailed setting. There you go. Page 10, adjusting the pad sensitivity. So apparently press the select button to blink drums mode lamp or whatever. Play the pad kick. Play the pad or kick pedal whose sensitivity you want to change, and then use the minus or plus buttons to adjust the sensitivity.
Yeah.
Changing the...
So that I can... Yes. That I know. I can adjust the sensitivity.
No, but that's... Yeah, but if you make it less sensitive, I don't know.
Yeah, so actually I do have to do that. That is very true. Because I realize I've put it at some volume, because I usually have it at volume 12 in general. So then I'm just comfortable with that volume, and I instead raise the sensitivity, I think, to make everything sound louder.
Yeah.
So, but... Okay, so
it's weird because you have to configure it differently for the MIDI stuff than for the actual audio stuff. Like, you configure it one way to get sound from the brain, and you configure another way to get MIDI, proper MIDI input.
Yeah. Yeah, that is wow. Like I've been spending so much time these. I don't even know like why I started this, but I find it fun. So I actually the streaming part. I started because I realized that I can do it for fun. And I
Yeah.
started just like, okay, it also puts me in a state of mind that I don't get distracted by things, and I actually do it, and I don't care about if anyone will show up. I don't really like ask anyone to or advertise it. So it was a very sweet coincidence that you're here today.
Yeah, I know. It's look at your one viewer.
Yay! I want to thank my mom and Dimitris because he's been there for my entire life. So yeah, so like in this process of making this work, there's so many things that like never work. Like for example, now today I was like, oh, like I set up. I had like such a cool setup with this the beat step that I bought a while back, just for
Yeah,
like.
yeah.
Yeah, so and I made it so I found like a way to use the MIDI output of it as an input to OBS. And
Yeah, so you can control and change your scenes and stuff. Yeah.
Oh, and that was so nice. And then today I wake up this morning, I'm like, yeah, I should try to do music today. Why not? I usually do coding. Or yeah, like some random thing. And then I realized I ran out of USB ports. Like what?
Get yourself a hub, especially for like USB.
Two.
Get more.
Yeah,
Put a hub on your hub. Because especially those things like the USB keyboards and the MIDI stuff, they don't take up any bandwidth at all.
No, yeah.
So like you can have like 1 billion of them.
Challenge accepted.
Yeah.
Found, and it's horrible because horrible. I mean, it's not horrible, but it's a bit annoying that I have to. It's really hard to find USB-C hubs because I don't want to have an adapter or like a hub on a hub. I want it to be a little bit more elegant. But every hub I found with USB-C cable, it's only like up to 4 ports. But
no. There's I found I have one at the studio actually.
A USB-C.
I have like a 10 port powered as well, which is great because you can put hard drives and stuff on there as well.
Is it powered by your MacBook or is it powered with?
No. It has it. Well, if you don't plug the power in, it does power it through your MacBook. But if you plug the power in, it's self-powered as well, and you can use it without. You can use it as just a charging hub as well. That's what I use it mainly for when I go to do like location shoots, so I can charge all the wireless receivers at the same time. So instead of having like 1 billion power sockets and using those, I just use one power socket and then plug all the USB cables for charging.
Okay, where do you get that one? I spent some time this morning trying to find a good one, but I only see like USB 3, like the regular USB type. But they have like, I mean, I'm probably gonna get it either ways. It has like 7 portar. It's like, what the language is this portar?
That's I'm trying to find the one that I bought, and it's probably. Oh, is it this one? Could be this one. Wait, I think there's an option to sort by external power, and then go Yep, there you go. It's a RAID Sonic thing. It has 7 USB ports. Let's see. It's this one.
Yes, Scrooge. My favorite website. Honestly, actually, I still use it sometimes, even like.
Yeah, it has some decent sorting options.
Yeah. Yeah. Ah. Yeah. Okay. I found this one. Yeah. From the icebox thing. Yes. I think I'm gonna order it. That was the
Yeah, yeah,
one.
yeah. Do it. It's great because you can just use it, like I said, as a charging station, or you can use it without the power for like USB sticks and stuff, or you can use it with the power, you know, to add like whatever hard drives you want that require power, or just you can charge stuff as well. It's fine. I mean, it doesn't have like any fast charging stuff on it, but
No.
it's good enough.
Hmm. Yeah. What? It's here. It's similar price here as well. Actually, it's almost 31 euros here.
Yeah, I mean, there's cheaper ones, but like I think Raid Sonic is pretty decent as a company. Like I've bought plenty of stuff from them, from like hard drive cases to USB stuff, and they all seem to be working fine.
With do they have? Does anyone else have a cheaper delivery? These are the guys are in Sweden. I know. Läge Kurgen. No, wait, that's Kurgen. Sounds not. Yeah, Raid Sonic is really good actually. I still have an external hard drive case from Raid Sonic.
Yeah, I have one too, and I think it's. I think I have like an IDE one as well. Like, you remember the old ones?
Yeah. Yes. It's like. Oh, you mean?
Yeah, and I still use it because like every now and again somebody will bring me like a hard drive that's from like the fucking 90s, and you'll have to somehow recover some data from it.
Oh wow. Am I saving any money here? No. No, a little bit. Okay. It's probably gonna arrive faster as well because I think these folks are in stock. Okay. I'm gonna order it later.
What's VAT in Swedish?
You probably guessed it.
Nice. Nice. So it includes mums.
Yes. Mom's included in your purchase.
Nice. That's an added benefit, I guess.
So that's yeah. I think that's a good price for a port, like a hub, a USB hub, and a mum.
Yeah.
Do I get to? And it's plural as well. So.
I mean, you have to contact the manufacturer to see how many mums you get.
How many? Wow. Do they come with a manual? A manual.
I mean, I don't think any mum comes with a manual. That would be very nice, but I.
Let's see. So now I think I have still one suspicion. That is, or I do or like this. I don't remember how you do it in JavaScript. Event note off. I suspect that some events that shouldn't go through. Can I have a new line? Just for clarity. Or is JavaScript gonna complain to me? I suspect that some events go through, so I just want to make my function a bit tighter. Okay, I suspect.
Oh, that tone that keeps coming through is probably like the bell or something.
Yeah, right. I think.
Because you were hitting like the ride on both on the bow and on the bell. So like one of them is mapped to a crash, and one of them is mapped to a tom instead of a bell.
Yeah, something strange is going with the script, I think. So if I
if you remove the script, don't delete it, just disable it.
Oh yeah, you're right. It sounds the same. Wait, does it even work? Okay, now it's not even. Wait, what?
By the way,
Mm-hmm.
there's a better way you could solve all of these problems, which is to get your hands on something like Easy Drummer 2 or Superior Drummer 3, because they have all these things packed into them. Especially Superior Drummer, you can do like mitigating on just specific kit pieces and stuff.
That assumes I decide to take this seriously.
No, I know.
As well. So, but thanks for the.
Maybe you take it seriously. Maybe you don't. Maybe you
Yeah.
just sit there and script JavaScript
Yeah.
scripts.
Maybe I will write my own Superior Drummer here.
Yeah, because that's how it starts, isn't it? It's like, okay, I'm gonna make some music, and now all of a sudden I'm creating tools.
Oh wow, it's okay, but yeah, I guess it's a little bit more like something strange has happened here. So if I take this back and try again, so everything goes through. If the event, yeah, because otherwise, no, wait. Obviously, I'm sending everything through now. That was silly. Why did I do that? Yeah. But I cannot, like, so the thing is, I cannot see the instrument, the note in the MIDI. Oh, it stopped. Wait, why did it stop playing? I suspect there's something weird.
I'm gonna link you to something that is a perfect description of your stream today.
Is it going to be a meme? Oh no. What is this? Daily motion. Am I gonna stream a video? Am I gonna get demonetized?
Yeah, probably.
Oh, that's Brian Cranston.
Yeah.
Al, can you replace that light bulb in the kitchen?
What does it look like I'm doing?
Exactly, because it starts from like trying to play the drums, and then it goes to like, okay, yeah, I'm now scripting things to fix.
Yeah, wow. The brain capacity here is, I have to say, it's going very, very well. Like you taught me so many things today. I feel like
I know. I didn't even know that I knew those things.
Thank you for being there.
Of course. And if you want to attack this as well, there is the remap script.
Oh, what is that? Ah, okay, yes. So yeah, all right. One of the, so back to that. Yeah, I also discovered the environment recently. That is such a cool interface.
Yeah, exactly.
I had to because I needed to separate the MIDI controllers because when I was hitting the beat step.
Yeah. It was creating. Yeah.
Yeah, you get it. Yeah. Oh shit. So right. So what I want to show you is the fact that there is no notes on that tom that sounds. So where is, but so if I start maybe from here. Yeah. Okay.
Oh wait, is there any chance that your arpeggiator is triggering stuff?
How did you know that? How did you figure that out?
Because it's a constant thing, so
Yeah.
like it would make sense.
Okay, the freaking tom is there too. Wait. Let's go back here. No, okay, it still does it. Wait, but now... Oh! Yeah, I did not disable it, yeah. Yeah, I have to change the input MIDI port to only be... Oh, shit. And that is another thing. It powers off.
What powers off? Because I can't see anything.
Yeah, I stopped speaking because when I move away from the mic, well, there's no way to hear me. But it powers off every... Like the TD1, it just has like an auto power off mode.
Yeah, maybe if you dig through the settings, maybe there's a way to disable that.
Ah, yeah, true. Okay, now. Opa, wait, I pressed something. That did something. No, okay, so now. Oh my God, yes. Wow, I've been chasing ghosts. Yeah, I'm so happy you're here. Wow, I would be spending 1 more hour just trying to figure out where the sound is coming from. Wow. Is that something that has happened to you at work?
Not exactly, but similar things, yeah. MIDI is the devil.
Yes, it's such an old protocol as well. It's funny that we still use it so well, I would say.
I mean, they're still working on MIDI 2.0.
Yeah, I did hear that something about it, that it's becoming a bit complicated or more nuanced in MIDI 2.0.
Technically, yeah, but like...
I just have to say that... No, it stopped. Okay, it does that. I don't know why. It does not actually loop properly. Something is off with my logic as well. So they do go through because, okay, how can I check the velocity of an... Ah, there, I just hover over it.
Yeah. Also, I think if you put after your scripter, if you put the velocity processor and then set it to like do nothing, so it's just a straight line with ratio to 1, you can use it to visualize the hits.
Yeah, and I just found out that we've been doing this in vain. I mean, it's a good thing we did here today.
Yeah.
But I realize now a lot of these are actually reasonably high. Like, look at this here. This is like 86, and the initial hit is 117. So I think I have a project idea. I think I can solve this. Not today, probably. Like,
wait, is there a chance that you've also recorded the arpeggiator on the MIDI track?
No. That's certainly not the case. If I zoom out, I think it's going to be obvious.
Oh yeah, because you have you have that one note that brings out, and then it has nothing else.
Yeah. No, wow, yeah. And because I did have it set up so that it only listens to the drum kit before. I only changed it because I needed to test it at some point.
Yeah.
And then I never changed it back. But here's the thing, like, I think I could write a piece of code that checks for a given note what was the last value it had. So in this case, the kick is a C1, and if like the distance between the two notes is below a certain threshold, then evaluate the note that's coming after. So in this case, this one here, based on how close to the previous note it is, and then like we
because you can use the script that you wrote before, and then check the French guy's script as well, because I think he has some parameters with time and stuff.
Okay. Yeah, he probably solved this problem. Yeah. Oh, but now I'm a little bit excited to to actually write this, but I'm not gonna do it now though. I feel like maybe because I know I understand what the problem is now, like with the double kicking. So so the real problem here is that my drum kit did not come with this stupid attachment to the kit for the kick. So I went to the music store and told them that I got it secondhand. So, I just told them that, this is missing, and they were like, yeah, actually, the Roland kits we have are missing this piece too. So we're putting an order in to Roland to just send us this small like metal thing that you put it on the kit. And I was like, wow, like what a coincidence. Like, I need this. Can I order it through you then? And they were like, yeah, but we don't know when it's expected. So they took my email.
Yeah. So I mean, knowing how things are right now, that's gonna take a long while
to get. But I was really happy that. So I hopefully will get that. So that will fix this. Which I just want to paste the code here just in case. Why not? This should be called mitigate JS. Well, I can. That's a funny thing. Like I did not expect. I can maybe write a few small scripts for things. Like if you need anything written in.
I can actually.
We can have like we could have like a session like this, but just like putting down code.
I mean, there's some cool stuff. Like if you go to there's a guy on GitHub that has Logic Pro scripts. So oh shit, I exited the chat.
But I think you can. I can send you.
I redid it. So if you go to this guy, he has some scripts, and some of them sound cool. Like he has a chords thing that says triggers chords derived from played note. He has a sequencer. He has his own arpeggiator. I mean, it's fun stuff. And he has some explanations as well. Maybe his own documentation.
It's a bit of both, I guess. He has the I see the normal events, like functions. Hold its time and be repeater, sequencer. Copy and paste this chunk. LPX. What does LPX stand? Logic Pro. Yeah.
Logic Pro X.
Yeah, obviously. Okay, library. What are the chords? Okay. He does like this. He adds them in numerical distance, in steps. Yeah. Okay, steps away. So he adds. Wow.
Yeah, I mean that's why I sent this to you. Like I know that you probably don't have any interest in creating an arpeggiator, but it would be cool to see the code for it.
Yeah, thank you. You are
and see what
right. He also has documented it really pretty. Like this is music notation in the comments, and he does not need to add any more information than that. It's like it's a minor chord. Taking the seventh, or what is this? I don't know. I got impressed, but then I don't know how to read it.
Yeah, it's I get confused with those things as well, because also you don't it's it has to do with how the notes are sort of portrayed in code. So yeah.
But I mean, I understand what he does here. So if the depending on which note you play, he will give you a different chord.
Yeah.
Based on the scale. That's a good one. Wow. That is a pretty cool plugin, actually.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Okay, and before I sign off, because I have to go, I'm gonna send you this as well, which is the documentation for actual audio units, so actual plugins. So if you ever think that you have a crazy idea of something and you just wanna try it.
There is I've thought about this. I wanted to kind of like when I started this kind of so the reason for the streaming part is that I like to I get focused so I can do these things.
Yeah.
So I can like take a task and do it. If I don't get too distracted. So I did.
Yeah,
I was
but
thinking,
for example, sorry to cut you off, but like
Yeah.
for example, like you could make a simple audio unit that I don't know what the use case for it would be, but it could take sound from OBS and record it to a new channel in Logic. So like say you weren't doing like a stream of music and you had somebody else like as a guest, you could define one source from OBS in the audio unit to be yourself, so you can record yourself on one channel, and then another source from OBS be me or your guest or whatever, and record that, so you have them separately if you want to make a video later, whatever, like stupid things like that.
like a multi-channel stream recording.
Yeah, whatever. Like probably OBS does that on its own, but like it could be a fun project if you want to like dig around and like try to understand how the thing works.
Yeah, thanks for the inspiration. The only like the thing I am not excited about with these is it's usually like for audio processing you have to go a bit like a few levels deeper in coding. You have to go to languages like Java or C++ or C. So that is, I mean, it is an interesting challenge, but it's a lot of things to start together at once. And then also, it's annoying that you have to make an audio unit plugin and the VST plugin. And
yeah. But like for the beginning, for like simple stuff, and by simple stuff I mean like like I said, like maybe take you could actually make let me think. There is an I/O plugin in Logic that you can use to send stuff from the channel to another output and then return that output. So you can use it for routing. You can, because these are simple things, like you don't need to actually code any audio processing into them. You just need to like sort of steal the input and route it to a new output and whatever. Anyway, I shall...
Yes. Thank you very much for joining, Dimitri. Wow, super happy New Year. Super nice to see you.
Yeah.
Nice
to see you too.
Oh, love you.
I shall sign off now, and maybe we do this again sometime with better stream setups and stuff.
yeah, let's do this. That would be awesome. Thank you very much for joining today.
Yeah.
Have a great week and a great evening.
Yeah, a great rest of my Sunday.
Yes, enjoy. Bye.
Ciao.
Wow. Yay. Well, that was Jim, Dimitris, or Frost. Love you. Such a great guy. Yeah. We met back in the day when I joined his band, now our band. Paradigm Shift. Yeah, I can plug in a bit of Paradigm Shift maybe. So for the future consumers of the stream, behold, where is my browser? I don't see my browser anymore. Did I quit Chrome? Probably did. My brain is yeah, I did. Oh, okay, smart. Or did it crash? Maybe it crashed. Seems like it did crash. No. Okay, and anyway. But yeah, Paradigm Shift, super dope band. If you wanna listen to something good in your life, if you wanna improve yourself in every possible aspect, you have to listen to Paradigm Shift. Let's see if my computer decides that it can handle this. Paradigm Shift, band Greece. Yeah, we haven't uploaded much in wow, no, we're not even in the top results here. Yes, here you go. Sin of Suicide, best track. That's the real background music. Back in those days, we didn't have streaming. We had to meet in person, record. Look at me now. Like, I didn't even make real progress in recording this. But main platform, like, Dimitris taught me how to fix. I'm very blessed. Thank you very much.
Suffocating silence.
Nice. Yes. So, we also have a rehearsal video. That's nice. We can watch together. Back in 2014. Ah, yes. Andreas, Laszlo in the leads. Those were the days. Oh, now it's like, yeah, look at this boy. Bass, yours truly. I don't even make the same anymore. Yes, and this is the real babe. Dimitris herself. yes. Wow, Prophet. That's a good song too. But I think we have a live version also, which is. Yeah, this song is so good. Yeah, and actually, where we recorded these songs is where Dimitris is still working. Yeah, he's working at this recording studio that was a one-man job. Actually, he started it himself. He started this recording studio. We actually went to the same school. I remember very much of that. So if we go into, I don't know, I can't remember visually where it is. Wow, but the computer's so slow, I think it makes my brain slow. Wow, yeah, okay, I remember. So this is where I went to school. And that's also where Nikos went to school, the guy who created the studio, the recording studio. And I don't actually remember anymore. I don't remember the recording studio. So he started by himself. He just like, I don't know, counting, but everything, my own things, but he, I think with his dad, they built the interior and everything, and it's a pretty cool studio. I should remember the name. Maybe we have it here. Studio. What the hell is called? Is it in the chat? But I can check the guy, Nikos, from having the chat. AMD, yeah. MD, yeah, from his last name, from Nicolas Dimitris. MD recording studio, yeah. That's where Dimitris is working. They record music, they record bands, they have very successful. Manly work in the studio. Wow. It's a lot of things to assemble. Yeah, this is so pretty. It's like a full-blown studio. That's Nikos. Actually, they are very like hands-on. And this is so they now they like since a couple of years they have Nikos has two studios. I remember in school, like we went up to the stage when it was like the school elections, and he was like what's it called, a candidate for the elections, and he went up with his guitar. It was a V-shaped guitar, and he had his mobile phone, and he played. No, actually, he didn't go up with the guitar. I just have a memory of him playing the guitar on stage. He went up. His presidential speech was. He played Iron. Where was it? I think Megadeth. Yeah, he played Megadeth from his phone on the mic, and that was it. And he goes there. He says his name. He plays the song like for a few seconds. I don't remember how long. Maybe for a while, and he was kind of headbanging, and then. He said I don't remember the exact things, of course. I just have a brief, a vague memory. But he played the song and kind of asked, I don't know, to be voted maybe for, and then left. But the important part is, he went on stage, basically just played the song from his phone on the mic, and then left. And then everyone else from the other candidates, they had speech, a proper speech. They would say we'll do this and that. Come on, we're in high school. Who cares? How much did we actually get done? That was, we had some material from the studio. Yeah, here. We had the studio diaries part 1. They were recording the guitars. Yeah.
Γράφει. Θα πω κάτι, ο Στρίτης είναι ψωνάρα.
Γιατί?
Γιατί χρειάστηκε να βγει η κάμερα για να κάνεις ένα take της προκοπής.
He's giving him shit.
Για βάλτε το λίγο να δούμε.
Κοντινό στο μυαλό, βοήθεια! Γεμίζει όλο το...
Cheers.
Darling, yes. Τι τέλει αυτό.
Δείξε.
Darling, yes.
Yeah, those were the days. Yeah, we should get our shit together and make it happen. Let's see. I think this is my bass line. Yeah, and in the middle of I didn't know the songs very well. I didn't. That was a bit embarrassing. I didn't know the notes by heart properly, so I had to actually study them. And so we recorded as much as we could. From the songs I knew, because there were a bunch of songs that we haven't really played live or rehearsed, so I didn't really know them that well. So I had to go home in the meantime and practice them. And I'm trying to see here in the video. It doesn't look like it's included, but I went home, practiced them, and also got a haircut. Do I have a haircut in the video? Let's see. I do. Yeah, so maybe it was in part 1 that... No, wait. These are other diaries, or what are they? Well, there's these diaries as well. These are the guitars. Okay, number 1, number 2, number 3, part 1. Okay. And that is the vocals. Yeah, it's the vocals. Yeah, the brutal vocals from Sotiris. Okay, that was me in here. And what is in this one?
Πάρτε τώρα. Όχι, την ανατομική που είναι, βήματα και...
They went to get food. Yeah, wow. That was a stretch. I think we recorded everything. Camera quality is dashing. Wow, Andreas is super good guitar. He also studied his songs, unlike me. If we take, I guess maybe it was not in the video, but maybe we didn't put it in this video. Oh yeah, no, here it is. It's actually the beginning. Yeah. Yes, but that's misleading though, because that happened between the recordings. So yeah, I went to the studio, I recorded a bunch of songs, I didn't know some other songs, so I had to go home and study them. And in the meantime, I also got a haircut, and then came back with a haircut. But I only see myself with a haircut here, so I don't know. Maybe I remember the things wrong.
Δεν τα λέμε αυτά, δεν τα ξέρει. Και θα έχουμε 10 τραγούδια είναι αυτά και ένα intro ή 10 μαζί με το intro. Αριθμητική δεν σε μάθανε ένα παιδί μου στο σχολείο. Δεν με κάθομαι να τα μετρήσω, βαριέμαι. 10 και ένα, ωραία. Εντάξει, πολύ ποικιλία. Θα έπρεπε να λέγεται song 1, song 2, δεν είναι αρκετά pop. Τι κατάλαβα. Δεν κατάλαβα, τι δηλώσεις είναι αυτές τώρα. Είναι δηλώσεις, τι ώρα είναι, μία παρά.
Okay, yeah, we're recording is like
Με τα μεσονυχτίες.
after midnight. Oh my god. Yes. Some progress was made today, I guess. Slacking a little bit here and there, but big thanks to Dimitris for joining the stream. That was the first ever live stream with a guest. So very honored to have him as that. We'll see. Who knows what happens with this streams or in the future. But I think I'm gonna call it a night. Get some rest. Tomorrow is Monday, work day. Yeah, we had a birthday party yesterday. That I think I came back home at 5 and slept at 7, something like that. Because when you come back, like you can't just come back. Like you're a bit hungry, so I stopped by Mac, got some some burgers, came home, had burgers, watched some YouTube, and then at 7 I realized, oh, I should go to sleep, and I go to sleep. And I wake up at, I don't know, 9, 10. And I've been half alive for the rest of the day. So I'm really glad that we managed to even get anything so much actually done today. I learned, thanks to Dimitris, yeah, that's okay. I learned so much more about logic now. Maybe we can have some logic masterclasses in the future. So let's see what we have ended up writing, at least before we sign out for now. Let's see. Do I have this? Yes. So now that we set up this threshold, we can leave it there for now. Okay. Let's hear it out. I did not want that part in. Sorry. Oh, I can. Yeah, but now we know. I click here and flatten. And it flattened everything. Oh well. Okay. That was good to know. So let's hear it out. Anyway, it's something. Yeah, that is a lot of things completely off time, and there's a lot of things to fix and do with the double kicks here as well. But you know, it was that was Sunday. That was my day. I hope your day was also good. I think that was a really good day. Yeah, so I hope you had a great Sunday, and I wish you, well, Happy New Year again. I guess you can say it for a while. And I wish you a great, what is this? Is this the second or the third week of 2022? Actually, yeah, okay. Before, there's a funny website in Sweden because they use the week numbers a lot, which is literally called vecka, which means a week in Swedish. .nu, which also means now in Swedish. So this means week now. It's week.now. And if I go, it's just that. Is the week number. It's week number 1. So I wish you a great week number 2 of 2022. And we'll see each other soon. Have a great evening.